Hello friends, welcome to my channel Testing Talks Latest. Today I am going to teach how to handle different browser tabs in Selenium with Java. Subscribe my channel for the latest testing tutorials and also for the interview tips. I have created a basic framework to initialize Chrome driver and also have the basic utilities created for loading the browser. Here I used WebDriver wait and expected condition of the driver to return document ready state equal to complete. So until loading the document of the web browser to be completed, we'll wait. So this method I created for waiting for the browser. So we can use this method during the execution. And I also had the setup for the Chrome driver in the setup method. I already set the system properties and driver as new Chrome driver. Let me go through the script for handling different browsers. So initially I am launching google.com from navigate method. So now I am going to launch other two browsers with open browser custom script. For that I am creating a custom script in custom methods. We are going to create custom script. Public void open browser is the method name, and I am passing the driver here. We need driver to launch the URL and duration, how many URL, not duration, URL, string URL. So now we'll use JavaScript executor. With name as JSX. So I'm upcasting JavaScript executor with driver. Now we are going to execute the script JSX.execute script, and I am going to write window.open. This is the JavaScript, and arguments, first argument which is a URL, 0 argument as index, and opening it in the new tab. So we are specifying blank. Now we need to pass the variable URL. With this we are going to launch the browser tab. So we'll specify the URLs for launching the browser. We'll define custom method class. The class name is custom methods and method name is custom methods small. And we need to import this class. Class is already imported, so we can use this class name to call our open browser method. Open browser, we are passing the driver and URL. Now I am using facebook.com, and we are going to call another URL. So we'll have multiple URLs open in different browsers. Here I am specifying linkedin.com. Now we have to handle browsers. So to handle the browsers, you have to get the handles. So I am getting set of handles as string. I am giving the name of the handles as handles. So now specify driver.window getWindowHandles method to get all the handles. Before that, we'll get the parent handle to fetch this handle at the last. Parent handle you can get it by driver.getWindowHandle method. We can remove yes. So now it is getWindowHandle. This is the parent handle. So we can look through all different handles which are string variables. So after fetch the handle, we can switch to that handle using driver.switch to window name is handle. This handle will switch and we'll wait until the page is loaded with the custom method. So wait for load. We're passing this thing, and maximum wait time I am giving 60 seconds. It is sufficient to load for this. I am giving the duration as seconds. So now we are going to wait for 60 seconds. Once we wait for 60 seconds, we are going to check the driver title. So by the time our window would be loading, get the title. If title equals to Facebook, we are going to close the browser and return to parent handle. Driver dot close method we are using to close the current browser and break from the loop. So we have achieved whatever the operation we need to do, and switching to the parent window handle. So now we switch to parent window. So this is the way we can handle different browser tabs. So if driver title equal to required title what we are expecting, we can do whatever the operations. Instead of driver.close, we can do the whatever the operations, and we can close once all the operations are completed. So complete all operations such as clicking any objects, and we can close the driver. This is what we will do for the browser tab, and we'll break from the loop and we'll switch to the page. Let me execute our script and make sure it is working fine. Running my script from homepage test. Run as test execute. Let me see. Browser is launched, different tabs are opened, and now I switch to Facebook tab, close all the browser windows. Thanks friend, this is how we'll handle different browser windows. Subscribe my channel for the latest testing tutorials and interview questions. Thank you very much.